Alright, let's to the parking project. The goal here is to write a Python program to move the drone forward, to stop at 3 meters distance from the laser range sensor, and hold it there for 5 seconds. And if you can, accomplish that within 15 seconds. Alright, here we have the Python code. The main part of the program are these 2 lines. These 2 lines of codes are to adjust the thrust input, based on the ever-decreasing distance, from 3 meters. So, as the drone approaches closer to the 3-meter point, the smaller is the thrust input, in order that we don't overshoot. And, by the way, the initial distance of the drone from target is different each time when you reset the game. Now, this first line is just to import the PyJop modules. The second line is to connect to the sim environment. And this line connects the first simulation environment and store it in the variable env. This next line resets the game programmatically. It's the same as clicking with the mouse button down on the right-hand side. This next line gives the rangefinder a name, call it scanner. And this line gives the drone a variable name, call it drone. The while loop runs these codes as long as required. It continues to reevaluate the distances, and continues to readjust the thrust power, as necessary. This line gets the current distance from laser rangefinder, and store it in the variable distance. And these 2 lines controls the thrust values, so, the distance minus 3 meters gets smaller as it gets closer, and therefore the smaller is the thrust input value. The number 35 is a factor that I've arrived at, by trial and error, and 35 seems to work well. It fine-tunes the input value. This print statement, within the while loop, continues to update the current distance of the drone, from the laser rangefinder. This last line disconnects the program from the sim environment. Okay. Let's run the entire program and see how it does. Alright. We did it. Great. See you in the next video.